Assalamualaikum dear friends. In this video I am going to share with you past paper of early childhood teacher test conducted by IBA Sakhar in 2018. Let's start subjective part. According to syllabus, subjective part contains 3 sections. Section 1 English, Section 2 Math and Section 3 is General Science. Therefore, we are going to solve the MCQs of General Science. Question 71. The speed of sound is maximum in option A water, option B helium, option C oxygen, option D platinum. The speed of sound is maximum in platinum. Right answer A. Question 72. The audible range of normal human air is option A 16 Hz to 20 kHz, option B 10 Hz to 31 kHz, option C 67 Hz to 45 kHz, option D 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The audible range of normal human air is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Right option is D. Question 73. Heat is the form of energy associated with option A atomic stability, option B nuclear reaction, option C electromagnetic radiation, option D molecular motion. Heat is the form of energy associated with molecular motion. Right option D. Question 74. During the daytime, the air above the land gets heated up. Its density. Option A remains constant. Option B increase. Option C decrease. During the daytime, the air above the land gets heated up. Its density decrease. Right option C. Question 75. The cooling fins at the back of refrigerator are made of black and rough surface because option A they are good conductors of heat, option B they are good radiators of heat, option C they are good insulators of heat, option D they are not important for heat transfer. The cooling fins at the back of refrigerator are made of black and rough surface because they are good radiators of heat. Right option B. Question 76. A thermos flask keeps things close to their original temperature by reducing option A conduction, option B convection, option C radiation, option D all of these. A thermos flask keeps things close to their original temperature by reducing conduction, convection and radiation. The right option D all of these. Question 77. Objects that gives out light of their own are said to be option A luminous, option B non-luminous, option C transparent, option D opaque. Objects that gives out light of their own are said to be luminous. Right option A. Question 78. When light changes in direction when entering one transparent medium to another is known as option A absorption, option B reflection, option C diffraction, option D refraction. When light changes in direction when entering one transparent medium to another is known as refraction. Right option D. Question 79. Most liquids expand when heated and contract when cooled. However, one liquid behaves differentially. The name of the liquid is option A milk, option B blood, option C mercury, option D water. Most liquids expand when heated and contract when cooled. However, one liquid behaves differentially. The name of the liquid is blood. Right option B. Question 80. The melting point of pure ice at standard temperature and pressure is option A 0 Celsius, option B 100 Celsius, Option C 200 Celsius. Option D 300 Celsius. The melting point of pure ice at a standard temperature and pressure is 100 Celsius. Right option B. Question 81. The temperature at which the solid in equilibrium with its liquid state is called. Option A boiling point, option B melting point, option C freezing point. The temperature at which the solid is in equilibrium with its liquid state is called melting point. Right option B. Question 82. The melting point of mercury is option A minus 98 Celsius, option B minus 419 Celsius, option C minus 38.83 Celsius, option D 0 Celsius. The melting point of mercury is minus 38.83 Celsius. Right option C. Question 83. If the melting point of any element is above the room temperature, the element will exist in dash state. Option A gas state, option B liquid state, option C solid state. If the melting point of any element is above the room temperature, the element will exist in a solid state. Right option C. Question 84. The unit of density is option A gram per centimeter, option B gram per meter, option C gram per centimeter cube. The unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. Right option C. Question 85. A student investigates an object that is shiny, bends easily and conduct heat and electricity. The object is option A metal, option B metalloid, option C non-metal. Students investigate an object that is shiny, bends easily and conducts heat and electricity. The object is a metal. Right option A. Question 86. Hydrogen sulfide gas is formed from hydrogen and sulfur. It smells like option A fruity vegetables, option B rotten eggs, option C rose flower, option D rotten milk. Hydrogen sulfide gas is formed from hydrogen and sulfur. It smells like rotten eggs. राइट ऑप्शन बी हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड गैस की स्मेल खराब अंडे जैसी होती है। क्वेश्चन 87. द सिंबल फॉर एन एटम ऑफ स्ट्रोनियम इज SR. व्हाट इज द न्यूट्रॉन नंबर ऑफ द एटम? ऑप्शन ए 38, ऑप्शन बी 52, ऑप्शन सी 90, ऑप्शन डी 128. 52 is the neutron number of the atom strontium. The right option B 52. The explanation of this question is given there. The neutron number equals to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number of strontium is 90 and atomic number of strontium is 38. 90 में से 38 को माइनस करेंगे तो ऑप्शन बचेगा 52. That is the neutron number of the strontium. Question 88. The fog in winter is caused due to option A suspended condensation water, option B smoke, option C dust particles in the air, option D all of these. The fog in winter is caused due to suspended or condensation water. Right option A. Question 89. Solution is a mixture of option A solute and solvent, option B homogeneous substances, option C heterogeneous substances, option D pure substances. Solution is a mixture of homogeneous substances. Right option B. Question 90. Sugar dissolution in water actually represent solute and solvent combination of option A solid liquid solution, option B solid solution. Option C, liquid solution. Option D, gas liquid solution. Sugar dissolution in water actually represent solute and solvent combination of solid liquid solution because sugar is a solid and water is a liquid. That is why this dissolution process represent the solid liquid solution. Right option A. Question 91. Which gas is used to extract energy from food in respiration? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, dinitrogen. Option C, dioxygen. Option D, dihydrogen. Dioxygen gas is used to extract energy from food in respiration. Right option C. Question 92. Drinking polluted water causes disease because it contains option A, symptoms, option B, pathogen, option C, infection. Drinking polluted water causes disease because it contains pathogen. Polluted water contains pathogens. Right option B. Question 93. If one wants to study chloroplast, which type of cell would to study chloroplast? Option A, xylem. Option B, photosynthetic cell. Option C, phloem cells. Option D, roots. If one wants to study chloroplast, photosynthetic cell would to study in chloroplast. Right option B, photosynthetic cell. Question 94. Study of relationship of organism to their environment is called option A, embryology. Option B, ecology. Option C, ethology. Option D, entomology. Study of relationship of organisms to their environment is called ecology. Right option B. Question 95. Select the correct sequence of level organization among the following. Option A, organelle, tissue, cell, organ. Option B, cell, organelle, tissue, organ. Option C, organelle, cell, tissue, organ. Option D, organ, tissue, cell, organelle. Correct sequence of level organization is organelle, cell, tissue, organ. Because a combination of organelle to form a cell and combination of cell to form tissue. Combination of tissues to form organ. Right option C, organelle, cell, tissue, organ. Question 96. The bacteria and fungi belongs to group of biotic component known as option A, producers. Option B, consumers. Option C, predators. Option D, decomposers. The bacteria and fungi belongs to group of biotic component known as decomposers. Right option D. Question 97. The largest organ in human with respect to surface area. Option A, organs. Option B, skeleton. Option C, skin. Option D, muscles. The largest organ in human with the respect to surface area is skin. Right option C, skin. Question 98. Recognize the factor which does not affect the process of photosynthesis. Option A, dioxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, H2O. Option D, light. Dioxygen factor does not directly affect the process of photosynthesis. Right option A, dioxygen. Question 99. Which is not a part of the human eye? Option A, cornea. Option B, retina. Option C, pupil. Option D, cornea. Cornea is not part of the human eye. Right option A, cornea. Because the retina, pupil, and cornea. All are the parts of human eye. That is why the right option is A. Koila. Question 100. Balloons are filled with option A. Helium, option B. Oxygen, option C. Nitrogen, option D. Argon. Balloons are filled with helium. Right option A. Helium.